Hello and welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to make a resume on Indeed. So let's begin. First is you have to launch the Indeed website on your browser and then sign in to your account. Now if you're new to the Indeed website, click on the person icon in the upper right portion of your screen and then click on Profile. Once open, you have to click on Build a Resume. After doing that, the first section that you would have to fill up is for your personal information. This is where you can add your contact information and say a little bit about who you are. The next set would ask you about your educational background. The third section you would have to fill up is all about your work experiences. The next step you would have to fill up is to write your top skills that will help you stand out among other applicants. And before the last section, you can review the draft or all the information you have filled up and then save it by clicking Save and Continue. Just note that you can still edit this resume even after clicking Save and Continue. And the last section that would ask you to fill up is all about your job preferences. And that's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe, and you may also click on the notification bell if you would like to see more quick tutorials like this.